If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you can do is you can go to Quick Settings or the Control Center, and over here you should be able to find the Quick Share button. It is added by default. In case it is missing, you can tap on Edit over here and just look for a Quick Share button over here in System Toggles. And if you tap on this button, you will jump into Quick Share option, and over here, as you can see, we can immediately receive items, or we can go ahead and choose Send. Over here you can go ahead and choose Select. Here we can just try to find whatever we want to transfer, and of course then you should be able to choose to what device you want to send all these files. It is quite easy like that. But besides that, you can most of the time at least use the share button in any app that has this share button. So for example, let's say we're gonna go to Files app by Google. Let's say we're gonna use that in this example, and then at the bottom you will find the Quick Share button in here as well. So you can just jump into Quick Share like this, or let's say you can just select whatever you want to transfer, use the Share button over here, and you should be able to find the Quick Share option in here as well. So you can immediately select files first, and then just choose where you want to send it. And you can do the same thing, let's say, with the file manager by Xiaomi. Over here you can do exactly the same thing. You can just select what you want to transfer, use the send button, and as you can see, we do have Quick Share option as well. So it's fairly easy, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.